Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing this labubu and this labubu. Okay, this one's my brother's Ellie. This one is mine. And actually, I don't know what they are. Let's just unbox it. Let's just do this. So firstly, we're gonna reorganize this. Okay, pump.
It's a CBS Super Soapy Summer.
I'm back.
New CBS weekdays. Welcome back to the Price Right, everybody. Let's find out who's next.
Sure, it's going to be Patricia. Darren, come on down. Yeah, the next contestant on the Price is Right.
Patricia! Patricia! Patricia!
So let's open, let's open this first. So we already have all of these. Coca-Cola labubu. And we have to name this one. There we go.
Are you ready to have soup? Huh?
I'm recording. Okay, so it's just
632. You are our lucky lotion pump winner of the day on The Price is Right. And what do you hear we have?
okay. So are you guys ready to see? It's the red and pink love monster. Okay, so we're just gonna talk about them now. I guess. Kind of nice fit actually. I like this one, and I also kind of, I kind of like this one. I kind of like this one and this one. I like both, but yeah. Okay. As you can tell, I can't find my other papers that I had, but I'm so excited. Okay, guys. Well, it's time for me to say. We're not ending the video here, but please subscribe, please and just do it. Okay, like, subscribe, follow, share, or do anything. Maybe comment down below which labubu is your favorite, and please, I want this to get to tons of views. Remember my makeup Saturday video? Thank you for watching that, but no comments yet. Don't worry. And I will make this video for kids, and, let's just talk about things. So the thing that I like about this is that it looks like, it has pink, and it also has red, and this is like my favorite one, and it was my dream to get this. My grandma, I call her mommy, got this, and this. This one's for my brother. This one is for me.
Why don't you like us anymore? Why are you leaving us?
Oh, wait, no, goodbye. Let's talk about these labubus, and,
There are questions that I would say are straight up homicide inducing. Hot take, nobody thinks your kid is as cute as you think your kid is.
this is, I'm gonna name these now. Okay. Let's name you. This one. What did I name this one again? It was Fifi. I think, or Fufu. I think I named this one Fifi or Fufu. That's what you could call it. It's a volleyball. Okay, sorry about that, guys. This one is named Fifi or Fufu. It was just colorful within the comments. And this one, my brother, I don't know what he's gonna name this. I'm just gonna name this Coco. Because clothes are to Coca-Cola. Okay. Bye. Also, please get this video to millions of views.